Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 7. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing a 9. And for this column, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 3. No help here, 1 and 2, 3. 3 here, so 1, 2. For this top row, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so 6, 9. 8 here, so 1, 6, 9. 9 here, so 1, 6, 8. And 9 here, so 1, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so 4, 6. Just the 7 here, so 3, 4, 6. 3 and 4 here, so 6, 7. And just the 4 here, so 3, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. Got a 7 here, so 1, 9. 1 here, so 7, 9. 9 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 2, 6. 2, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 2. 5 here, so 8, 5. With this 6, we can get rid of this 6. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 there and 8 there, so 4, 9. Just the 8 here, so 4, 7, 9. 4 and 8 here, so 7, 9. And with that 8 covering these boxes, our 8 must be here. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. That means the only place in this row the 8 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. No help here. 1, 2, 6, 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 6, 7. No help here. 1, 2, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so 1, 8. 8 and 9 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. We've got the 1 and 8 here, so 4, 6, 9. Same here, 4, 6, 9. 1, 4, 6, and 8 here. Means this is our 9. Wait, I did that wrong. If we look at this column, we were missing 1, 3, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 there. So this should be 1, 3, 9. And for this box, we're missing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 here, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 should be there. This one's getting very messy. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. And the 4 can't be anywhere else in that column, so it must be here. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so 1, 6. Oh wait, but not that 9, so 9. But now if we look, the only place the 9 can be in this column or this box is here. That means we can get rid of this 9, and this 9. If we look at this box again, the only place the 1 can be is here. And that 1 makes this our 7, 2, 6. So let's do some cleanup here. With that 7, we can get rid of this 7 and this 7. And with that 2, we can get rid of this 2. That 7 makes this our 9, 1, 8, 7. With that 7 and 9, we can get rid of these. If we look at this column, the only place the 9 can be now is here. And that 9 makes this our 7, 4, 6, 3. The 6 makes this our 4. That 9 makes this our 1, 3, 1, 6, 9, 6, 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.